cars and boats. Human daily necessity. The more necessary, the more drive you need. When fuel combustion is increased, the engine vibration will be increased accordingly. Fuel leakage has been occurred. Gasoline, gasohol, diesel, engine oil, gear oil. All of these fuel have flat points. Gasoline and gasohol have low flat points down to 37.8 degrees Celsius. Diesel and engine oil flat points are 60 degrees Celsius up. When an engine works and turns to heat cumulative, the cooling fan and radiator will automatically work to cool down heat. If fuel is leaked and combined with a high accumulated temperature till reaching a flat point, what will happen next? Are you ready to face this issue? Don't be panicked. This issue has been solved by an inventor's 6 World Gold Genius Awards, together with the scientists from the Department of Science Service. ELIDE FIRE mini just 400 grams heavy. Installed for automatically surveillance and preventing fire in an engine room. Should be installed 2 balls for the best performance and your safety. For both, install above an engine room 60 centimeters. Automatically activate within 3 to 5 seconds. Has testing, research, and development consistent to the use by Department of Science Service, certified by CENB 1395 of European Union, possible for surveillance and preventing fire in an engine room according to product specifications, safe and not harmful to health and environment, ISO 9001-2015, Quality Management System by TÜV SÜD Germany. You will realize that preventing fire in an engine room is easier than you ever think. Did your cars and boats install ELIDE Fire Mini Blue?